Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix please check your password and account name on Steam. Alright, let's begin. If you're getting this error, it's usually because you're entering the wrong account name. The name that appears on Steam isn't always your actual account login name. To find the correct one, go to this PC, open your C drive, then Program Files, x86. Scroll down and open the Steam folder. Inside it, look for a folder named config. Open it and find a file called config.vbf. Right-click it and open it with Notepad. Once open, click on Find and type Accounts. Press Enter, and you'll see your real account name listed there. Copy that name, go back to your Steam login page, and enter it with your regular password to sign in. So that's basically how you can fix please check your password and account name. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.